Hi beloved, in this video I'm going to give you some signs. When you see, it means that you need to go on an urgent fasting. It can be a full day fasting, 3 days fasting, but you have to go on a fasting that will help you to overcome these things. Now stay tuned. Hi, welcome to this channel. It's a place where I make videos to help you to learn how to walk with God. And in this video, my main purpose is to show you some signs that when you see in your life, it means that you need to go and fast. It means that you have to go on an urgent fasting. Now, sign number one, when you are addicted to your phone, when you are so much glued to your phone, when you are so much addicted to your phone, you can't do anything without your phone. You are going to sleep, you are with your phone to sleep. You wake up, the first thing you do is to take your phone. Just a few minutes, small time, you take your phone, going on social media, checking all those things. It's a sign that you need to go to fasting. It means that your spirit is veering off. It means that the world is taking your attention. Your attention to God is being taken away. And it means that your spirit in you is coming down. If you don't do something about it, the time you realize, you will find a very large gap between you and God. So when you see yourself addicted to your phone, very much addicted to your phone, you cannot do without your phone, please go on an urgent fasting. The second sign that calls for fasting is having bad dreams. When you have bad dreams, you see, dreams are things that are happening in the realms of the spirit, things that are about to happen. So when you have bad dreams and you wake up and you don't do something about it, the manifestation of that dream is very high. And you see, when you have bad dreams, some of the dreams that are bad are highly spiritual, and you need to have a high sense of spirituality to cancel or to deal with that spirit, to that dream. So when you have bad dreams, please go on a fast and cancel those dreams. The next thing I'm going to talk about, when you don't feel the urge to pray, when you struggle in prayer, when you find difficulties in praying, you are there, you don't feel like praying. You know you are supposed to pray, but you don't know what to say. You don't know that urge to go to pray is not there. My brother, my sister, you have to go on a fast. It's a sign that your spiritual senses are dying off. It's a sign that your spiritual awakening is going off. It's a sign that you are sleeping spiritually. And at this stage, the enemy can strike you. At this stage, it will be difficult for you to receive from God. So anytime you don't feel the edge of praying, you don't feel the edge of reading your Bible, it means that you are sleeping spiritually and you have to wake up. You have to go into a fast to clear all those things, to come alive again, so that you can connect, or your connection between you and God can be sharp. The next one we'll talk about is when you are struggling in making decisions. When you're finding difficulty in making decisions. And you see, these things happen to everybody. Anytime you want to make a decision and you are struggling, please go on a fast and pray. When you fast and you pray, your spirit becomes alive, that worriness departs, and your senses become so much sharp. So when you pray to God concerning that matter and God speaks, you easily hear and easily take action. When you go in a fast, because your spirit is high, you can easily download informations on making your decision. So when you get to a stage where you are finding it difficult to make decision, please go on a fast. It's an urgent fast. The next thing I'll talk about is when you need the hand of God in a situation. When you find yourself in a situation that is very critical and very tough, and you need God's intervention, please go on a fast. We see that in the life of David. We see that in the life of Jesus. You see that in the life of Elijah. Go on a fast. You need God's hand in a situation. a challenging situation. You know that this thing you are going through, unless God, please, it's a sign that you need an urgent fasting for God to intervene. Beloved, I want to talk to you about Yachal Prayer Network. Every Wednesday, we meet to pray, 10 p.m. Greenwich Meridian time. And every first 3 days of every month, we fast and pray. If you want to join us in prayer, please send me an email at ypn@denisamartey.org. And also, if you have a dream and you want me to help interpretation, please send me an email, dream@denisamartey.org, and I'm going to help you to dream. I'm going to help interpreting your dream for you. I pray that this video has been a blessing to you. And I pray that these signs, when you find them, God will give you the strength to go on a spiritual journey, on a spiritual fast. God bless you. Subscribe to this channel if you are not. Like this video so that it will help this video to go viral. And also share with your friends. God bless you. Peace.